New Tool Day Tuesday, where I share with you guys unique or useful tools that I myself use that I think you might be interested in. Today we're going to be talking about a product from Harbor Freight. It is under the Bauer brand and it is a rotary tool. It's battery operated. It has a built-in 8-volt lithium-ion battery. It is variable speed from 5,000 to 30,000 RPMs. Its collet size accepts 1/8 inch tools, so keep that in mind. It will only accept 1/8 inch shafted tools. And again, it does have an 8-volt battery. Don't let that intimidate you because this has a lot of torque. I've already used this. I've actually had it for a couple of weeks now, and I used it on a project last week, and I was pretty surprised at how much torque it actually has. It does come with a case, and I really like this case. It is fabric covered, but it is semi-hard, so it'll protect the tool, and it just looks nice. Inside the case, it's molded to accept everything that comes with this kit. You can see everything has a home. Inside, you will find the tool itself, an optional guard cover. It does come with a small 40-piece starter kit. We'll get into that here in a little bit. And it also comes with its charging cord. The plug on the charging cord is a micro USB. However, you will still need this charger because it is 9 volts and 1 amp. So a standard phone charger is not going to charge this tool. Inside the accessory kit, you will find these consumables. And as you can see, there is everything from polishing tools to sanding tools. There are some cutoff discs and some stones, a small wire wheel, some diamond tipped grinding tools, and even a drill bit. The tool itself feels really good in my hand. I really like the size. The spindle lock is right here, so when you press that down, that will lock the spindle so you can unscrew and tighten the collet. The battery meter is right here. It only comes on when you turn the tool on. To speed the tool up and down, you press these buttons here. This is the speed indicator. There is 5 different speeds. Located on the bottom of the tool is the charger port, and it also has a little loop that you can open up and hang the tool if you want to. And the housing cap does unscrew so that you can add different accessories. Now, I'm not 100% sure of this, but I've been told that this is compatible with Dremel accessories. So if you know that is true or not true, please comment down below. But the question in everybody's mind is, how well does it work? Does it have enough torque to be useful? And we're going to find out. Now, I have a deck screw and a pair of pliers, and we're going to cut the head off in real time. That way you can watch and see how well it does. It had no problem cutting the head off of a hardened screw. Now, in the past when I've reviewed rotary tools, they seem to kind of slack off during slow speeds. They don't have a lot of torque unless you crank the speed up. To demonstrate this tool at slow speeds, we're going to turn the speed all the way down, and we're going to grind a little bit off the edge of this case. This is an aluminum case, but it'll still give us a really good idea of how well the tool is going to perform. And even at slow speed, it still had enough torque that I was able to chew through the aluminum and grind off the little lip on the bottom of this clip. It probably would have done a better job if we had a less coarse sanding drum, but that is what came with this kit. So what are my final thoughts? Well, I really like it. I think it's a great rotary tool. It has plenty of torque when it's set to the highest speed, and it has enough torque when it's set to its lowest speed to still get some work done. It operates very smoothly, and it feels really good in my hand. I don't mind working with cords, but sometimes you're in situations in areas where you just don't have access to power, and this battery operated tool will solve that problem. At the time of this video, the tool retails for $49.99. Now, I purchased this on sale and it was $35. Now, keep in mind, Harbor Freight does a lot of sales throughout the year, and these will probably go on sale again. If you like these types of videos, don't forget to like and subscribe. Take a look at some of my other videos. At the very least, you might be entertained.